Hi, it's Mine Crypto here. I hope we're having a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are in the world.
Remember, this isn't financial advice. Always do your own research.
It's Mine Crypto here, and today we're talking about Quant Network, Quant, and looking at the market at the moment. It's looking rather red, but we are leading into the weekend, and this is almost like a consistent thing that we do see. Let's have a look at the crypto bubbles. So as you can see, we are ranked 39, market cap of 1.24 billion with a 13 million 24-hour volume, and we are currently at the 103 mark. $103, always $100 or thereabouts at the moment. So we can see in the hour we're down 0.1, we're down 0.8 in the day, we're down 2.2 in the week, but we are still up 2.8% in the month. And as you can see, everything looks rather red, but hey ho, we're in this for the long term. Now, got some really interesting news, and this is probably the single most important tweet, probably the best tweet I've ever seen with regards to quant. Now, this thread was created by San, and I again believe it's very important to really understand what's going on. Because remember, we're not told. We have to piece together the jigsaw pieces to create the picture. So San says, let me draw this out for you in simple terms so you can all follow. Yesterday, the Bank of England said the following: synchronized settlement will put them in strong position to integrate RTS hundreds of trillions of pounds in legacy infra with DLTs. As we can see here, our ambition does not stop there. We will utilize the modular and flexible design to deliver third phase of benefits of renewing RTGS. At the heart of RTGS is the ability to support safe, efficient settlements in central bank money. And our vision also encapsulates RTGS acting as an open platform for change and innovation. And as you can see here, it says top of the list are new ways to connect RTGS, a synchronization interface to connect RTGS with other ledgers, the overledger. That's what is indicating here. Then we see this tweet from Rosenberg, which San is referring to. The introduction of synchronized settlement would put us in strong position to integrate central bank money into RTGS with innovative technologies. And we can see here Victoria Cleland describes the benefits of ambitious multi-year program to renew real-time gross settlement, RTGS. She thanks the industry for their commitment to our recent migration to ISO 222 Global Financial Messaging Standard, outlines further benefits to be delivered, and flags the importance of collaboration for realizing these benefits in the future. And we continue. Here's a quote on it: the innovative possibilities are endless, all cheaper, faster, and safer. It would allow RTGS to interoperate with other asset ledgers, such as land registers, overseas RTGS systems, helping reduce settlement risk and liquidity costs for a wide range of markets. Synchronization would allow market participants to create innovative services backed by security of central bank money. So again, indication towards quant. They are already testing synchronized settlement successfully with Project Meridian, hence it's on top of their list for Bank of England. They have been convinced by tech and benefits. It says here, it highlighted in yellow, this saw a successful development of technical prototype for synchronized settlement using housing transaction and an exploratory use case. And we get this. The question is, who's supplying this groundbreaking technology that will integrate real-time gross settlements, trillions with blockchain tech? So we see here, we are talking trillions, absolutely trillions. And it's $341 trillion a year settled. To answer this question, we have to look at the participants in the project, in Project Meridian, where they tested synchronized settlement, BIS plus Bank of England plus R3 DLT used. And we see the Koju, remember this company, and Project Meridian, as we can see here. Now, here is an interesting part. Quant vendor in Project Rosalind, a POC for a retail CBDC in two-tier CBDC model by the BIS and Bank of England. We see here the COO of Koju is promoting Rosalind on LinkedIn and applauses it. He talks about it. Project Rosalind, Project Meridian Synchronization. It makes no sense to talk about it in Rosalind if the same tech isn't being used by Meridian. I mean, this is gold, absolute gold. As you can see here, synchronization service. With this new paradigm, there will be numerous benefits: reduced risk, optimized liquidity, reduced operating costs, better forecasting, enhanced customer and partner experience. So this is all looking absolutely juicy. And in that, Quant CEO likes the project. As we can see here, Gilbert Verdin liking that project, Project Meridian, the first project from BIS Innovation Hub London Centre in partnership with Bank of England has landed. Meridian explores the viability of synchronizing transaction settlements using central bank money in real-time gross settlement, RTGS systems that sit at the core of modern electronic payment systems. And we keep going. The news just keeps coming, and the research is so on point, it's unbelievable. And the Quant team has been promoting RTGS interoperability via API platform equals Overledger through the years. As we can see here today, Bank of England held a webinar. What would a Bank of England digital currency be like? Polls with 1,200 participants show how CBDC meets future payments needs. Our important takeaway: the new RTGS will be interoperable with DLTs using an API platform. And furthermore, I can only conclude that Overledger is a synchronized settlement tech supplier destined to connect $1 trillion infrastructures. And it gets better. Yesterday's speech talks about overseas RTGS systems, which make the reach even bigger than expected. And we can see here overseas RTGS systems. Absolutely amazing. It's also clear the UK is ahead of the curve with multiple successful POC and ready for implementation, top of the list. It will be an example for all other central banks and FI around the world. Never been more comfy. The future of finance is nearing fast. And this is all amazing. I mean, let's be quite honest, it doesn't get any more jigsaw puzzly than this. And we see this bonus material. Essentia CBDC guy pointed out that they have found the solution for integration blockchain with existing systems. IT adds up. So let's have a little listen here.
Is the integration of blockchain with existing systems. And for those also I think we found the solutions as well.
Wow, and he said it there, and the smiles on their faces. They can't give it away. And we've got to remember that the reason why Quant headed for the Bank of England is because the UK's financial system is the largest exporter in the world. And I said this yesterday, you go where everybody's going to be going, you know where it's going to be exported, and you go to the Bank of England, you come to the UK where financial services are top notch. Anyway, guys, I hope you like this video. Remember, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research. And please remember to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any further videos, and you'll be doing me a massive favor. All the best, and I'll catch you later.
Remember, this isn't financial advice. Always do your own research.